Right, we're in my MG6, and the common problem that the select button is fairly shot and takes about 14,000 presses before it actually clears the don't drive looking at your screen warning thingamajigger that comes up on the screen. So we're going to swap it out for a new one. It's got one clip on the back, and all you have to do is pry off this entire piece here that goes the whole way. It's just held in with some little clips, and it's quite easy to get off with a plastic pry bar, or if you can be gentle, a metal one. Mine came off quite well. It's obviously been off before, I think, to be painted blue, as there are as a clip there, but this one's missing, this one's missing, and there's another one here missing. Anywho, unplug, and then there are 4 screws in the back holding it on, and easy as that. And there we are, swapped over, plugged in. When you unplug it, the 4-way hazards flash. So I plugged in the new one pretty sharpish. Not that it really matters, it's just a bit frustrating. And then undid the screws, swapped it over, put the new screw in. The old one, you can feel that it is a bit worn out compared, and the button does feel a bit different. This car's done 50,000 miles, so I'm assuming it's been pressed quite a few times. So that's that. I'm going to click this all back into place, which hasn't gone to plan. So when you're popping it back in, make sure that you pull the vents out and locate the vents, can't see, and clip them back in to the fascia. Otherwise, when you put the fascia back on, the vents just disappear into the dash. So they should clip in and locate, and then the whole unit should clip back into the full dash. It clipped back in reasonably easy once the vents were lined up, and then everything was pretty easy, and you just pop it straight in. Let's see if this makes a difference. Sometimes it doesn't come up, which is a bit weird. So, looks like it works perfectly now, which is beautiful. It's got a softer touch to it, and it just works every time. Beautiful.